Hey Claybuddies! Advance Happy Valentine's Day! So in related to Valentine's Day, let's make a tiny flower in a bottle with a love letter chart. First, choose what color you like for your love letter charm. Condition the clay and flatten. While flattening the clay, I made some air pockets. We just have to pop it. Using this cutter, let's make a rectangular shape and cut them into half. This will be our love letter envelope. Tip for the day: when using white clay, always clean your hands with soap and water to make sure that there will be no dust on your hands. And of course, don't forget to clean your working area and claying tools. Working with white clay is a little bit harder than other colors because of course the dirt are visible on lighter color, especially on white. And another tip, when you are working with different color clays, always start with light color to dark colors. These are chibi eyes. It can help us to make our work faster, especially on bulk orders. These are also bakeable. You can use them on polymer clays. Now, roll a thin black clay for the lips. Let's add some blush and a heart. We're done with the love letter. Let's proceed to the second charm. I choose pink for the flower. Just roll the clay and then flatten. Add some details like so. will be using stainless head pin for the stem and cover it with green clay. Another tip: using stainless materials for air dry clays are better to avoid rusting. Add the green ball of clay for the grass. Setting up the flower inside the bottle. Let's clean it with wet wipes, then attach our metal findings. Look how pretty it is! And here's our finished product. You can keep them as your charm or give them as a gift this Valentine's Day to your loved one. Happy Valentine's Day everyone, and happy claying!